Hello guys, welcome to my new video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do Roblox Shorts live streaming on YouTube. There are many benefits of doing Shorts live on YouTube. Your watch time increases very quickly, your subscribers grow faster, and I'll also share some secret tricks with you. But there's one condition. You have to watch the video till the end without skipping, so let's move ahead with your video. And now just focus on the red arrow.
The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see.
Click on this.
Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I've made it innocent, a feeling discontent. I'm finally facing it all.
Click on this. Click on this.
Burning the bridge that keeps us. I'm here and I'm feeling fearless. Exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted.
Click on this.
My steps still hanging in the balance. Not the life I want to live, I want to take it all. Standing tall, fear I weighed the person you are. Oh, break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I've made it innocent, a feeling discontent. I'm finally facing it
Click on this.
If you also want a video like this, subscribe and comment now what should I make in next video.